The Fairfield by Marriott in Osaka Namba is conveniently located close to both the JR Namba station and the Namba subway station in Osaka, Japan. It is right around the corner from the Osaka Jinja Tiger Shrine, and close to both the Dotonbori food district, with its iconic neon signs, and Nipponbashi Denden town, known for its otaku and anime culture similar to Akihabara in Tokyo. It's also relatively close to Sutenkaku Tower and the Shinkansen area, another great place for food in Osaka. The hotel doesn't offer breakfast and doesn't have a lounge, but it does have an area they call a shared workspace, which functions similar to a lounge and offers free drinks if you have platinum or above status with Marriott. If you're looking for large rooms and a Marriott property, this is an excellent choice, but it is a little more of a walk to get to major attractions than the nearby Caption by Hyatt, which we did a room tour of that will be coming soon. So please like this video and subscribe to the channel and watch for that video next week if you're interested. Also, check out our video about Marriott Platinum status and the benefits and limitations at this and other Marriott hotels in 2024, which I will link in the description below. Okay, this is a room tour of the Fairfield Marriott in Osaka Namba in Osaka, Japan. This is a Superior King, I believe. We booked a King, and with our Platinum Elite status, we got upgraded to, I think she said, a Superior King. So anyway, here in the entry, there's some hang-up places in there with our luggage. Got a little shelf there. Pretty good sized living area there. Kind of nice with the bed, couch, table. Quite nice, pretty good room in here. This hotel is actually quite cheap. I think it was 17,000 yen per night base rate, and it came with like 3,000 Bonvoy points extra or something like that. So it's one of the cheaper hotels in Osaka, cheaper Marriott hotels. In here we have the separate toilet, and in here we have the shower. It's just a waterfall shower, which I really like, and it's just basically a self-enclosed shower. So anyway, pretty simple, but pretty nice room. We're going to be here for 2 nights before we head out on the ferry to Beppu. So anyway, that is the tour.